So hope you guys, any other questions regarding anything else?
Yeah, and you could tell people that at the open house too. If you get somebody that's excited, oh, my client loves this, okay, hey, make sure you bring your offer over X amount.
When you guys are at open houses, by the way, I told you it was 11:30 today. Make sure you're getting, people are coming to see your home. What do you think about the home? Get it on video. Whether they like it or don't like it. What don't you like about it? Hey, let's do a quick video about the house, especially if they're excited. Right? You guys should be getting video of this. Because if first of all, you should only be doing a 1 hour open house. The days of 4 and 5 and 8 hour open houses, no, that's what other agents do. I taught you guys how to market an open house, and it's only open for 1 hour. You should only be doing a 1 hour open house. Shouldn't take up your whole Saturday. You should be able to do 4 open houses at 4 different homes, which we call the tour of homes, which we're going to start with this program, starting with this program again that I'm just launched this morning. My VAs are already booking appointments. What you should have is a tour of homes where we have 5 homes, and you do open house and send buyers to all the 5 different homes. They're happening all in 1 hour. I can put Melissa in the home. I can put this person in the home. I can put multiple agents. Lauren, this is good for you. Multiple agents in multiple locations and have multiple open houses happening on a Saturday from 3 to 4. I mean, a Sunday from 3 to 4, a Saturday from 1 to 2. And everybody's working 1 hour start to finish. Well, you got to get there about an hour before and put out your stuff. But, with GPS, that's about it. Right? So you could have multiple open houses going at one time. So what if you don't have any listings? Go into workplace and ask people, can you do an open house for them? Go in the workplace, in the referral network, or the Georgia list, whatever. I posted some stuff this morning. There's people training today. I posted that I have no clue who you are. And they came from I posted in the workplace about this training day because I want to help other real estate agents be successful. If you have no listings, no nothing, call some agents where you live that have listings and say, hey, I noticed your home's been on the market for X. Can I do an open house for you next? Any buyers I bring, then it's me bringing you a buyer. You guys realize this, and then all you do is go to Zillow coming soon. Write it down. Zillow coming soon, and that's where you would launch the open house and get the word out. Zillow coming soon, and then there's other websites. I'm sure Juanita probably can post. She probably knows all about that, where you can market open houses, even if a home is already listed. But you got to get the agent to sign what? Authorization to show unlisted home, right? I'm just giving you multiple ways, multiple ideas that you can walk away so you can give me a 5-star review this month, right? Multiple ways.
And you can list on Hubzu too.
Hubzu, thanks for Eunice back. She's a great resource.
Yeah, so it's an auction.
Yeah.
But you can put whatever price in there that you want to list it at, and they'll relist it every week for the auction.
Is there a fee?
Nope. It's a new service.
Okay. Hubzu auction. We used to do that a lot. Well,
but now they're allowing you to list your own home on there.
Nice.
You said Hubzu?
Hubzu, Hubzu. They'll relist it every week, and you can I put a low price in there so that it could be bidded on.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. And who's bidding? Is it real estate agents or buyers or what?
Agents, investors, hedge funds. It's just like any other. It's just like bidding on foreclosures, but it's a regular listing.
So let me give you guys a trick. Not a trick. Another way to make money at EXP. If you have a hedge fund or somebody that's high net worth individual, and you know them, you can get them signed up to be an express offer certified vendor to buy homes. EXP is going to vet them. They pay EXP a fee. You get a part of the fee, just so you know. And so even if they want to buy homes and anywhere in the world, and they do the deal, they pay EXP a fee off every deal. You get a portion of that fee from EXP. So if you know high net worth individuals, or if you created Hubzu just to attract hedge funds, okay, I would set up a meeting with those people. Say, hey man, if you want to buy this, I could get you set up with our company where you can buy thousands of properties. Huh? How does that work? You can go into the world and you can set up. They'll tell you all the criteria. You can send it out to them. Make sure that they have that criteria. They can fill out. It's like 2 pieces of paper. and the EXP will vet them, and every deal they buy from anywhere in EXP, you will be getting a check from those deals. That's why I love this company.